To create a video, you don't require pricey cameras, microphones, or computers. All you need is the power of artificial intelligence or AI to produce stunning videos. And believe it or not, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home every month. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let's dive into the practical demonstration. Firstly, open your browser. Once you're in Chrome, navigate to the search bar and type Hagen.com, then hit enter. Perfect, the website is now loaded. This platform harnesses the power of AI, and it's where you'll be creating your videos effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at the process. Now, let's head over to the templates. Here, you have the option to choose between landscape and portrait orientations. If your video is destined for YouTube, opt for landscape. Whereas, if you're targeting platforms like TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, portrait would be more suitable. I'll select breaking news as our category. There's a plethora of templates available. Let's choose one that fits our theme. Excellent, I've made my selection. After selecting, click on Use this template. Great, now you'll notice the interface. However, there's a crucial aspect to address: the script. We need to provide the script for our AI to articulate. Now, you might wonder, where do we source the script from? Does GPT come into play? Well, ChatGPT isn't quite there yet. For news-related content, you can extract information from recent online magazines or news sources. Now, let's move on to the next steps. I've prepared my script, let's paste it here. Another notable feature is the ability to customize the visuals. By clicking here, you can modify the person depicted and adjust the text. You have plenty of customization options at your disposal. Now, my script is in place. You can input text in English or any preferred language. Click here, select your desired language, in my case, English. Next, choose between male or female voice. I'll go with male. Now, let's apply some filters. I'll select the youth category and choose the new style. Alright, we're all set. Click here, and voila, your video is ready. Finally, click on the Submit button. You'll notice the progress indicator. Once it reaches 100%, your video is ready for download. Click on the download icon at the top to initiate the download process. Once downloaded, let's review the outcome.
View the latest news and breaking news today for US, world, weather, entertainment, politics, and health at Movio.
Cryptocurrency exchange FTX, which has filed for US bankruptcy court protection, said it owes.
So, folks, as you've witnessed, this video was generated entirely by AI. It's truly remarkable, resembling a human presentation with voiceover. However, let's delve deeper into this phenomenon. Thus far, I've demonstrated how you can create a video using just your smartphone, devoid of any expertise, equipment, or gadgets. Now, the burning question: can you upload such videos to platforms like Facebook or YouTube and monetize them? As I mentioned earlier, can you earn thousands of dollars? Well, in my personal opinion, if you create videos using AI or artificial intelligence, the likelihood of monetization on platforms like YouTube or Facebook is exceedingly low. Considering it's AI generated, the chances of monetization are close to negligible. And without monetization, there's little incentive to create such videos. You might have noticed the sensational titles enticing viewers to believe otherwise. But in reality, it's merely a ploy to generate revenue. Many of you requested this video, and initially, I was skeptical. However, after numerous requests, I decided to debunk the myth and shed light on the truth. The voices in these AI-generated videos, though seemingly natural, are not. Moreover, they're susceptible to copyright issues. As many creators are aware, even a snippet of a song or music can trigger copyright claims. This highlights the robust algorithms employed by platforms like Facebook and YouTube. Hence, I advise against investing time and effort into creating videos solely with AI. Anyway, this video has stretched quite long. Before I sign off, I'd like to hear your thoughts on the topic I covered. Feel free to share your comments below. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm grateful for that. Goodbye.